Good day, everyone. My name is Gianluc S. Lorejo. I am here in front of you to present my research paper on religion. My research paper entitled is that The Liquefaction of the Blood of Saint Januarius of Naples. The thesis for this research is that the liquefaction of the blood is considered a miracle because the event is beyond the scope of natural laws and can only be explained by a divine intervention. To support my thesis, here are the 3 points. First, the consistency of the phenomenon points to the historical consistency of the blood liquefaction, asserting that it has reportedly occurred regularly over many centuries. For the second point, the supporters emphasize the spiritual significance of Saint Januarius and the deep devotion surrounding the relic containing his dried blood. The third point, the believers argue that the scientific community has not provided a conclusive explanation for the blood liquefaction. There are also 3 objections on my 3 points. First, the critics argue that the consistency of the phenomenon is based on accounts primarily from within the religious community. For the second objection, the skeptics argue that the perceived spiritual significance and the occurrence of the miracle during religious ceremonies are influenced by psychological factors such as suggestion, collective belief, and the power of expectation rather than divine intervention. For the third objection, the critics argue that the lack of a universally accepted scientific explanation doesn't inherently validate the miraculous nature of the event. And to answer all the 3 objections, here are my 3 answers. First, the objection regarding the lack of independent verification of the blood liquefaction phenomenon associated with Saint Januarius is indeed a valid concern raised by the critics. However, it's essential to recognize that addressing this objection requires a multifaceted approach. The current evidence may primarily come from religious sources. It doesn't discount the possibility of the phenomenon occurring. Instead, it highlights the need for additional research conducted by independent scientists to objectively examine and verify the claims surrounding Saint Januarius. For the second answer, the objection concerning psychological influence on the perception of the blood liquefaction phenomenon is a pertinent consideration, but the devout followers of Saint Januarius believes that through their faith, the dried blood liquefies. For the third answer, regarding also to the need for further scientific investigation into the blood liquefaction phenomenon, this objection has no valid evidence yet since it is further investigation. But as of now, it highlights the significance of religious belief and tradition that this is the only proof to the unexplained phenomenon of Saint Januarius' blood. In conclusion, the discourse surrounding the blood liquefaction phenomenon associated with Saint Januarius presents a multifaceted dialogue that encapsulates religious belief, scientific inquiry, and critical analysis. It advocates and emphasizes the historical consistency of the phenomenon and its spiritual significance that leads to the affirmation that it is a miracle. That's all. Thank you.